Good morning, everyone. My name's Caleb, and we're in the shed today, pulling our first eBay order of the day. Shout out to Lonnie for his consistent intros. But this is the only thing from out here that sold on eBay today. This is a little Donkey Kong and Cart amiibo. Only had 4 eBay orders last night, and I think they were pretty much all small ones. So gonna head back inside. All the rest of them I have just stored in the office. We're all from my little storage shelf up here that I have above my listing station slash now my merchant fulfilled center here. The first one was one of these Guitar Hero Lives. These are like just the game. It's not any accessories or anything, but this sold for I think like $24.95 or something like that. So not a bad sale there. I picked those up for like $5 at pawn shops. And then I sold my last 2 Toy Story 4s. So I bought these from my DVD and video game guy. Whoops. And honestly should have bought more. He had a bunch more of them, but they were only going for like $12. So I was like, I don't want to pay a lot. Ended up paying $2 a piece for like 8 of them. And so I'm making like, you know, $5 or $6 a whack on them after shipping and fees. Actually, probably a little more. So yeah, I probably should have bought a few more of these because they're selling for, yeah, $12, so not bad. All right, so now comes the really interesting part of today's orders because I had 3 merchant fulfilled Amazon orders today. The first one is this PS3 320 gig right here that sold for $130 plus shipping, so that's pretty nice. I'd say I'll probably pay maybe $20 in fees or so on that, so solid profit there. I usually pay, I think on this one I actually paid $60. I paid up a little bit because it was a bundle deal. Normally I'm into those for like 40 or 50. Then I sold this Wii Sports. This was a great deal. Normally these go for like 120, but this sold for 148. Sorry, Wii with Wii Sports. So was really happy with that sale. But the best one of last night was this Wii Sports, a Wii with Wii Sports and Wii Sports Resort, and like Wii Motion Plus controller sold for $227. So really stoked about that, and even more stoked that including my personal Wii, which I'm going to be selling probably in the next couple days here, I have this last Wii, which I kept out because I need to get this copy of Wii Sports resurfaced. But this is Wii Sports Resort, and these are my last 2 Wii Sports games. So I have those, and then I also have Wii Sports and Wii Sports Resort with my personal Wii, so I'll be able to hopefully get 2 more $200+ Wii sales, which is absolutely wild. All right, all my packages are out the door, so my next goal for the day is to get all of this Wii stuff listed. Probably also that Switch case, maybe this GBA too. As much of this as I can, I'm gonna put on Amazon, like, you know, this guy will probably go for a decent amount now because it has Wii Motion Plus, same with this. The off-brand ones I'll probably just throw on eBay, this Rock Candy and, you know, his brother. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm also going to get out my old resurfacer to take care of these 2 games so that I can list this other Wii with Wii Sports and Wii Sports Resort because those sold really quick for me yesterday. Well guys, it's the next day. Didn't end up filming quite enough yesterday to make a full video, so here we are in the morning. Had 6 orders come in yesterday and overnight on eBay, so I thought I would show those off. I did end up getting all of this stuff over here, all these Wii accessories listed last night. I thought they would sell pretty fast, but so far, the only thing that I listed yesterday that has sold was this Game Boy Advance, sold for $37, which is pretty good since it has all this crap on the back. So I was happy to get that, and yeah, sold really quick. Some of the other things that sold, this GameCube game pouch sold for $20 with free shipping. I picked this up at a video game store in Nebraska for $6. Actually bought 3 of them. The other one already sold, and then the other one I'm just keeping. So then I sold Sleeping Beauty. This is a DVD I picked up for a couple bucks. It just sold for, I think, $13.50. Has the slipcover and everything. It's brand new on Blu-ray. Then, I'll take you guys down here. Then the last 3 things are a couple of hats, actually. This Bulls Championships hat Definitely a little bit of fading and just age wear on that. That was all pretty clearly visible in the picture. That sold for $30 with free shipping. This TaylorMade hat sold, I took a best offer of 15 bucks on that. So kind of weird. People are still buying vintage hats. And then this Umarex action pistol, this sold for 26 bucks, I think. And I picked it up for 6 retail arbitrage. That does have free shipping on it though. So I'll only end up making like, you know, $5 to $7, but I will take it. Then yesterday's best sale was, guess what? Another Wii with Wii Sports and Wii Sports Resort on Amazon for $250. I keep jacking the price up on these things when I list them, and they keep selling. So that's pretty incredible. That's like basically what it originally retailed for, which is amazing. So I have one more of them to list. I'm probably going to shoot for even a little bit higher. But before I do that, it's actually my personal Wii, so we're going to have a little Wii Sports night and enjoy it before it goes out the door. Well, guys, a couple last things before I end this for the day. I did, as I was packing up stuff, get another order for these shoes. These sold for, I think, $25 plus shipping, maybe $20 plus shipping. And these actually were a pair that I bought for myself and ended up being a little bit too small. So happy about that. I think I paid like 30 bucks shipped for them, so not losing much on them, which is cool. And then wanted to say I just got a return from Amazon, which normally kind of sucks, except that it's a Wii with Wii Sports. So I'm going to test this, make sure that it's working good and that they returned everything with it, and then get it listed pretty quick, and hopefully it will sell. Those haven't been selling as well for me as the Wii Sports and Wii Sports Resort bundles. I've got a few listed right now at $150, one at $125 that haven't moved. But nonetheless, I'm still pretty happy about that. And I will catch you guys. Should I do it? On the flip.